What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my nanny banani. There's a video going around on YouTube where you turn somebody into you. Everybody always turns like their best friend or their sister into themselves, and I decided to turn my nan into me. I thought it was time for her to make her YouTube debut. She's actually been on my vlog channel. If you guys watch my vlog channel, I'll link it down in the description box below. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Sorry.
That tickles. Oh, nanny banani. I sure don't know what you're doing.
Has anybody ever done your makeup for you before?
No.
No?
Nobody's ever done my... I don't use makeup, to tell you the truth.
But not even when you were younger?
Nope.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but my nan looks a lot darker than me, so you might come out of this looking like a ghost.
It's quite alright, then I can be a ghost. I'm enjoying this.
You like being pampered.
Boy, this is fun. You can come here and do it every day.
Okay. It's definitely a little bit lighter than your skin, but it's not too bad.
Well, we can't be too dark.
To blend it in so it doesn't look like you just have a white mask on.
Cheeks, make it all red.
Oh yeah, I'll put blush on. Does it feel funny?
No.
But this is setting powder so you don't get greasy.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Looking good already. Now comes the fun part, Nanny. How do you feel about eyeliner?
I've never done that in my life. Uh-oh. Never done that in my life. My eyes dripping.
Your eye's dripping? Did I poke it?
No.
I'm probably about to poke it. This should be interesting. Because you see how I have like the black on my eyelids? That's what I'm going to do to you.
Oh God. I ain't got no eyelids. Eyelids.
And I even have some false lashes for you too. Okay, Here we go. Wow, you're pretty good at this. You're like not even like flinching at all. Wow, you're pretty easy to put makeup on, Nanny. You like don't like freak out or anything.
I'd like to laugh.
Okay, now we gotta do the wings.
What's the wings?
It's the pointy part.
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't look too bad.
Oh yeah, I'm starting to look like an old woman. Like a young woman.
Oh, look how glam you look. I mean, you're starting to look like a young woman, Nanny.
Oh.
You're going back in time.
I'm looking glammy.
Glammy. It's like on the Goods that time, instead of they did makeovers on the grandmas. Ooh, that one turned out good.
Did it?
They called them glammas instead of grandmas.
Yeah.
Did you see that one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, are you ready for this?
What is it?
Mascara. This one's for your eyelashes.
I ain't got none.
You have little tiny baby ones. You actually have pretty long bottom ones, but you really don't have a lot of top ones.
I want to laugh.
Oh, I have to do your eyebrows. I forgot.
I ain't got none.
Yeah, but we're gonna give you some.
You sure?
Okay, we're gonna sculpt you some eyebrows, Nanny.
Oh, you sure that's an eyebrow, not just a pencil to
Yeah, look, it says eyebrow.
Oh, I thought maybe it's just a...
Just a colored pencil?
Yeah, pencil to color with.
Here we go. Okay, we're getting there, yeah.
All right. I need some pluckers.
Some pluckers?
Eyebrow pluckers. I don't have any eyebrows, really.
Tweezers are for taking hair away if you don't have any hair to begin with.
Yeah, but there's some going over my eyelid.
Maybe you'll like how you look, Nanny. Maybe you will want me to do it to you every day.
Well, maybe when I go out, gallivanting.
Got some cheek action.
Yeah, it won't make me look too pale.
Nope. Aw, Nanny, you look so cute. What? Are you spitting?
Now I'll be able to yodel, 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 yodel.
Yeah, Annie, you should go to Walmart and do some yodeling.
Yeah.
Okay, now that we got you highlighted, we only have 2 things left to do.
What's that?
We have your eyelashes, and then we have the wig. Okay, are you ready for these, Nanny?
Well, I don't know.
Are you ready? You need to keep your eye open. Your eyelashes are really tiny, so hopefully these stick on.
They probably won't.
I have a bad feeling.
I might have to go without the eyelashes.
Oh! Wow! Nanny, you're a babe.
Nanny's a babe. Nanny's a babe. Oh boy.
Eyelash number 2. Beautiful, Nanny! Look at you!
Oh my goodness gracious.
Okay, now we just have the final element.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Mamma Mia.
Have you ever worn a wig before, Nanny?
Nope, not that I know
Didn't
of.
work out. Not that you know of.
Not that I know of. Gotta be like yours. Oh my God. Now I look pale. My.
All right, there you have it. Did you ever think you'd ever be doing this, Nanny?
No.
Now we have to make the same face. Okay, what do you do? What's your signature?
I got hairs in my mouth.
What do you guys think? Do we look alike?
Not much. Wait now. You've got a nice chin. Mine is. I have to suck mine in.
Can you even suck in a chin? Oh, I can do this. Okay, you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you guys think we look alike and if you want to see me transform anyone else that I know into me. I'd really like to do Tyler. Wouldn't that be funny? But he wouldn't let me. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below also if you want to see more of Nanny Banani on my YouTube channel. And I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.
Odelay, odelay, odelay.
Aw, Nanny, you're so cute.